Okay, so let's start with question number second. Bit of guideline. The second term is log n base 4 equal to theta of log n base 2. Now moving back to questions. The question is, which of the following are true? So we had to check the asymptotic notation for this. The theta is when the function of n is equal to c1 dot gn and function of n is equal to c2 dot gn. So if function 1 is less than equal to another function with adding some constant, or function 1 is greater than function 2 with adding some constant, so it will be theta notation. So the first question is, the first one is n factorial equal to theta of n plus 1 factorial. So you can see n factorial to n plus 1 factorial. Let's just remove the theta and check what constant we can add here so that this term can be greater than equal to or less than equal to n factorial. Let's open the n plus 1 factorial. N factorial equal to n plus 1 and n plus 1 minus 1 factorial. So this term will be cut and we remove it n factorial. We are left with n factorial. So n plus 1 into n factorial is a n factorial. So if we somehow use this as a constant, then we'll be able to equate the two and get the theta notation. But the thing is, this is not some constant, it's a function of n, so we can add this. So we won't be able to prove this one, so this is not true. Let me change things in color. So this is not true. Let's look at third one. The third one, for that we need to erase. Where is the eraser? Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, there it is. Just give me peace of mind. Okay, so let's move to the third one. Third one says the root of log n is equal to big O of log n. So just ignore the big O for a second and just write log n, and here is log n whole power 1 by 2, right? To check some constant, to check some constant, we can just take log on the both side. So by taking the log on this side, we'll get 1 by 2 on the front, and then it will be log n. This side it will be log of log n. Okay, so take the value into power of 2, so that it will be easy because the log is in base of 2. So just take 2 की power 10 as n equal to 2 की power 10. So it will be log of 2 to the power 10. So it is base 2. Here also the log 2 to the power 10, and it's always 2. So the power will be 10 will be shifted to this, and this will be become log 2 base 2, so which will be 1. So let's move along. One by 2 log 2 plus 10 equal to, here it will be just log 2 log 2 10. So look at this one, log 2 base 10 and 1 by 2. The value of log 10 base 2 will be around something like 8, so 3 point something 2 or something. So into 1 by 2 for this 1 by 2, right? And here it will be around log 2 of 3 point something. So this will be easily so much lower, and we want to this one be bigger. It's a big O, so we have to use this one notation, like fn equal is less than equal to c1 dot gn. If this will be true, then it will be big O, but according to our explanation, this won't be easily possible. If you take the bigger values of n, you'll easily come to know, like take a bigger values of n is 128, right? So 128 will be, here will be 128. The next position will be, it will be 128. 128 is to the power of 7, I guess. Yeah, it's a 7, so it will be 7. And for here it will be 128, and the next will be log 2 base 7, which will be around 7. So it's less than 3, because 2 to the power 3 is 8, and this is less than 8. So log 2 base will be 2 point something, and this will be 3.5. So it is obviously greater than 2 point something. So this one is also wrong. Now look at options. We can see we don't have first, we don't have third, we don't have first and third. So this is gone, this is gone, and this is gone. We have option only C, which is second only. Let's look at why second is right. Log n base 4 equal to log n base 2, this theta. So let's equate this. We have to find value of n, such as, I guess it will be 16, it will be right, yeah, fine. So it will be power of 2 and 4 both. So log 4 16 equal to log 2 16 log 4 4 square equal to log 2 to the power 4. It will be it will be 2 from here, and it will be 4 from here. So it is definitely bigger this side. So the fn is less than c1 dot gn is right. Now let's take another example. Yeah, we have so much space. Okay, the second one is log n base 4 equal to log 2n base 2 is the theta. Now this time take same n as n equal to 16. This will be 4 16. This time we have to prove this, some constant log 2 base 4 log 4 base 4 square constant log, just remove it. Okay, let's go to pen. Yeah, it will be 4, it will be 2 greater than some constant and 4. So what we can take, this is a constant, just take 1 by 2 and this will be like equal. So the second term, which is fn is greater than c2 dot gn, which is proved right here. So answer must be option C. Okay guys, thank you for this. We'll further proceed to next question on next video.